Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. Jif, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher, general, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. 6th house, physical health. It shows the state of your body, health, habits, unconscious mind, service given, work, pets. Natural sign is Virgo. Natural ruler is Mercury. Keyword is duty. 6th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is Caden house. General. The 6th house shows your work, health and habits. This house shows employment, employees, tenants, servants, pets and dependents. This house shows the service given to others, your common problems, your clothes and how you wear them, hygiene, food and diet, illness and all photo conditions. Affect your health. This house shows aunts and uncles, self-regulating and your unconscious mind. Here work and health are linked together. Saturn in 6th house. The planet Saturn placed in the 6th house of your natal chart suggests that health is a major feature of your life, either because of your illness or that of a loved one, or because you have decided to work in a related job. To health, or maybe both. You are likely to need to monitor your health closely, making sure you are getting the right diet and the right balance of exercise, rest, and work. It is possible that you were ill during your childhood, which means that you missed school or opportunities to play with other children. Over the years, you have learned to seek the advice of professional doctors and follow their orders. You may also be interested in working in a medical field. You find it difficult to work in an ordinary office environment. It's not that you don't like work. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.